Okay, I've resined that lovely caramelly earthy bloom, and I also put a little bit of dragonfly glaze in the resin, so to give it even more sparkle. I'm not sure if you're getting the sparkle. Yeah, cheese. So yeah, it turned out beautiful. So yeah, it's been done a few weeks now. I know the video only came out yesterday, but if you want to catch up and have a look at the video, that's up on my YouTube channel right now. But yeah, really popped with the resin on it. Love the sides of the canvas too. They come out really well. Where's that one? Come out beautiful. Oh, good. Absolutely brilliantly sunny day here for winter in Australia. Couldn't wish for better. It's going to be about 26 today. So my puppy dog's lying right here at my feet. Where's the other one? She's somewhere around here.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do if you are not